Hi, now the Hummingbird Premium Kit comes in a cardboard box like the one shown here. Now on both the inside and the outside, the contents are labelled as what you get and what you have. I suppose the only disadvantage to it is it's not transparent, so you actually don't see what you have in the box. So, and inside the box, I suppose it shows you what you're missing because all the compartments are clearly labelled and identified. Now, what I've done to rectify that sort of as a more long-term storage solution was I picked up one of these Baco screw assortment kits. Now these would normally come blank, and sometimes they come in packs of 3 or 4 as well. And what I've done with it is I've just divided the compartments to hold all the components that came with the Hummingbird Duo Kit, the premium kit. Now, what doesn't come with it is this razor adapter here. The reason I have that is because the kit comes with an American plug for American sockets. So if you pick up a razor adapter for the 240 volt UK sockets, that will see you through that one. So basically everything is here. Now what I may do is I might cut out this page here and just stick on the labels onto the bottom of the Baco kit, just so we can see what I'm missing when something's absent. So we've got our main Duo, Hummingbird Duo there. Now what I also have onto this, I also have the Bluetooth adapter to connect to iPads. Okay, you can see there the tool, the terminal tool is there, as well as the spare standoff. You've got your plug there with your large wheels and your elastic bands. And what you have here is you've got your USB cable, you've got your two gear motors there, you've got your temperature sensor, you've got your rotary, you've got your sort of vibration motor there as well, you've got your light sensors and so on, you've got your LEDs, then you've got 4 servos, and you've got your servo extension kit, your servo extension cable, and your servo hubs there as well. So that all goes together quite neatly, and I suppose when you're packing it away in any class, you can see what you have and what you're missing.